A defendant was missing and is still missing. His name is Victor Mercado. He's the former water department chief, and the judge said today at 9 o'clock he would not be in court all day. He was going to be looking at some court records. Well, there was some rumors that then began swirling that he really wasn't in court because he was going to be arranging a plea deal with the government. Well, I talked to Mr. Mercado's lawyer, John Minnick. He said there is no plea deal in the works. It's not even on his client's radar, so we can put a rest to any rumors about a plea deal for Victor Mercado. For the defendants who were in court today, here's what they heard as part of testimony. We learned that the Kilpatrick Civic Fund helped pay rent for the first family once the former mayor was sent to prison for the text message scandal. Again, this is a nonprofit that was founded to improve the city of Detroit. This morning we heard from a local realtor who said she met with Kwame Kilpatrick and his wife back in 2008 when they were looking for a high-end Detroit apartment to lease. They settled on one at the Park Shelton in Midtown, a very upscale apartment that the Civic Fund paid just under $13,000 to lease for only 4 months. The Civic Fund also paid $5,000 for a preschool graduation party, the feds say, for the mayor's twin boys. The boy's preschool teacher at the time testified today, saying it was the only check that size she ever recalled receiving from a child's parent. Defense lawyers argued that this was money well spent, though. They said it was a donation to a preschool that helped not just the mayor's kids, but lots of kids in Detroit. They said it was a celebration of education in the Motor City, and that's really what this nonprofit was trying to endorse and celebrate. We are right now hearing from an IRS agent who's testifying about Bernard Kilpatrick's expenses and the Civic Fund. We expect this will be the last witness to testify on the Kilpatrick Civic Fund, and then this chapter of the trial will effectively close and we'll move on to another subject. Still much more testimony to go, 3.5 months you could say, but the trial is moving along. Reporting live from downtown, I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.